I, Dr. Sultana Razia, on behalf of Department of Biotechnology, Institute of Science and Research, IPS Academy Indore, extend my heartiest welcome with immense pleasure to everyone connected with us for this national seminar and workshop in bioinformatics. I welcome our distinguished speakers who have joined us online, Dr. Rajnish Giri sir from IIT Mandi, Dr. Satendra Singh sir from Sam Higginbottom University of Agriculture, Technology and Sciences. I extend my heartiest welcome to our resource persons, Mr. Raghav Upadhyay sir from Umia College, who is present here among us, Mr. Faizan Ahmed Hilal from Holkar Science College, and Mr. Pratik Gupta sir from IIT Mandi, connected online with us. Very warm welcome to all of you. I welcome our invited guests, Mrs. Akriti Srivastav Madam and Mr. Sharad Singh Lodi sir, to this 2 days national seminar and workshop in bioinformatics. My heartfelt welcome to President IPS Academy, Architect Achal Chaudhary sir, Registrar of IPS Academy, Dr. Sanjay Nagar sir, Principal of IPS Academy, Dr. Premlata Gupta Madam, Dr. Pradeep Joshi sir, Head Department of Mathematics, Dr. Jitendra Tripathi sir, Head Department of Physics, Mrs. Ruchi Srivastav Madam, Head Department of Chemistry, Mrs. Sapna Jojare Madam, in charge of Library Science and Information Department, and our Head Department of Biotechnology, Mrs. Pragya Goyal Madam. I extend my heartiest welcome to all the invited guests, faculties of ISR and participants and everyone present amongst us in this 2 days national seminar and workshop on advanced in silico approaches on data analysis, disease diagnostics and dark proteome, which is held in online mode. Thank you all for your gracious presence, which has increased the ambience and aura of this event. As part of our tradition, let's inaugurate our session with the blessings of Goddess Saraswati. Prayer enlarges the heart until it is capable of containing God's gift of Himself. O lotus-eyed Mother Saraswati, kindly bless us with knowledge and humility. Flowers are expression of affection. I would like to request our convener and head of Department of Biotechnology and convener of this seminar and workshop, Mrs. Pragya Goyal Madam, to present a bouquet to our resource person, Mr. Raghav Upadhyay sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. With due permission from Principal Madam, I would like to start the workshop and seminar. Thank you, ma'am. This national seminar and workshop would not have taken the shape without her guidance and motivation. She has been instrumental to the organization's effort. May I take the privilege to our steering head, Mrs. Pragya Goyal Madam, to welcome our guests and participants.
Thank you, Razia ma'am. Good morning to respected bioinformaticians present with us today. Dr. Satendra Singh, Head, Department of Bioinformatics, Allahabad Agriculture University, Dr. Rajnish Giri, Associate Professor, School of Basic Sciences, IIT Mandi, Mr. Raghav Upadhyay, Assistant Professor, Umia College, Mandleshwar, Mr. Pratik Gupta, Research Scholar, IIT Mandi, and Mr. Faizan Ahmed, Assistant Professor, Holkar Science College. I also wish a very good morning to Architect Achal Chaudhary, Chief Patron of this event, Dr. Premlata Gupta, Principal and Patron, Dr. Sanjay Nagar, Registrar IPS Academy, Dr. Pradeep Joshi, Head of Department of Mathematics, Dr. Jitendra Tripathi, Head Department of Physics, Professor Ruchi Srivastav, Head Department of Chemistry, Professor Sapna Jojare, in charge Department of Library and Information Science, faculty members and students of various departments of ISR and enthusiastic participants from all over the nation. It's indeed a matter of great honor for me to welcome all of you today on behalf of Department of Biotechnology to this 2-day national seminar and workshop on advanced in silico approaches on data analysis, disease diagnostics and dark proteome. Department of Biotechnology was established in the year 2004 with a vision to impart the latest knowledge in the field of biotechnology, microbiology and life science and to equip the students with advanced experimental skills to shape them to become distinguished academicians, scientists, researchers, or entrepreneurs to serve the society, country, and humanity at large. The department also aims to create an environment for the students and faculty for personal and professional growth with high moral values. Modern biotechnology is the need for today as it provides breakthrough products and technologies to combat debilitating and rare diseases, reduce our environmental footprint, feed the hungry, use less and cleaner energy, and have safer, cleaner, and more efficient industrial manufacturing processes. Similarly, bioinformatics is a hybrid science that links biological data with techniques for information storage, distribution, and analysis to support multiple areas of scientific research, including biomedicine. It is a comparatively young discipline in information technology and has progressed very fast in the last few years. Bioinformatics is fed by high throughput data generating experiments, including genome sequence determinations and measurements of gene expression patterns. In the field of medicine in particular, a number of important applications for bioinformatics have been discovered. For example, it is used to identify correlations between gene sequences and diseases, to predict protein structures from amino acid sequences, to aid in the design of novel drugs, and to tailor treatments to individual patients based on their DNA sequences. So, what is so special about bioinformatics? The 2020 coronavirus pandemic has shown that experiments do not exist in a vacuum, and rapid data analysis and interpretation is much more powerful to help control the spread when the data is shared quickly and openly. But it's not all about producing new data when so much already exists. Analyzing data is hugely important. To date, there are a number of databases on specific genes and proteins pertaining to human, animals, plants, bacteria, and other life forms. These databases help in new inventions in biotechnology that are useful to mankind. Thus, bioinformatics and biotechnology move hand in hand for progress of mankind. Against this backdrop, we have assembled here to know about the various applications from several distinguished bioinformaticians who are highly qualified and possess the knowledge of this area. I am sure that you will all feel enriched with knowledge after completion of this event, and hope that you all find this seminar and workshop highly engaging, fruitful, and beneficial for your future venture. I welcome you all once again to the event and hope that you all have a great time ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Pragya Goyal Madam, our convener of our today's event. We are achieving milestones in academics under her able guidance and vision, a thinker, motivator, mentor, and dynamic personality. May I have the honor to invite our principal of IPS Academy, Dr. Prenivata Gupta Madam, to welcome our speakers and inaugurate the program.
Thank you, Razia. A very good morning to all the guests, Dr. Satyen Singh, Mr. Raghav Upadhyay, Mr. Faizan Ahmed, all the participants, and I must congratulate Department of Biotechnology to organize advanced in silico approaches on data analysis, disease diagnostics, and dark proteome. So, congratulations to Team Biotech Department. I must give a brief introduction of IPS Academy. Indoor Professional Studies Academy, IPS Academy, is one of the Central India's largest and premier education hub. The academy is NEC accredited and its technical courses are recognized with AICTE. All UG engineering courses are NBA accredited. IPS Academy has established a reputation with its excellence and visionary thinking. IPS Academy is glorified by various accolades like 6 Limca Book of Records, 2 Guinness of Book World Record, and many more. IPS Academy has three campuses, one at Sabua, one at Saver, and one at Indore. Indore is the core campus where more than 10,000 students are studying in core campus. Under the core campus, 16 colleges are running, including management college, pharmacy, commerce, arts, engineering science, architecture. More than 80 courses are running under these colleges. Institute of Science and Research, ISR, was previously known by ISLE. Now, currently we call it ISR, Institute of Science and Research. This institute offers 7 UG and 7 PG courses with different combinations in physics, biotechnology, horticulture, seed technology, botany, microbiology, chemistry, pharmaceutical chemistry, mathematics, and social work, along with various value-added courses to enhance the capability of students. We also provide PhD program to foster research and achieve academic excellence. ISR ranked among top 80 top 8 best science college of 2021 in Western Zone in India by the Week Hansa Research Survey, and also is best 75 colleges of science in India 2021 by India Today. Our students design and fabricate equipments that supply to other institutes all over the nation. Also prepare eco-friendly products and develop entrepreneur approaches among students. ISR is providing excellent teaching and learning with cutting-edge research facility proven by its outstanding results along with consistent merit positions in university. All the best, Team Biotechnology. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your blessed presence and vibrant words. We thank you for your guidance and support you have always have in us so that we can bring the best in us. Thank you, madam. This 2 days national seminar and workshop on advanced in silico approaches on data analysis, disease diagnostics and dark proteome is organized by Department of Biotechnology, Institute of Science and Research of IPS Academy Indore on 17th and 18th February 2022 with the aim to popularize the use of tools on bioinformatics. Bioinformatics, as we understand, is an interdisciplinary field that develops methods and software tools for understanding biological data, in particular when the data are large and complex. It helps us to determine gene and protein functions, establishing evolutionary relationships and predicting the three-dimensional shapes of proteins. At present, bioinformatics is a fast-growing field both at the level of academia and industry. Attendees will come away with a working knowledge of how bioinformatics data analysis is performed and how to leverage common bioinformatics softwares to use them and analyze them in the next generation sequencing data. Genomics and bioinformatics have contributed immensely to our understanding of infectious diseases, from disease pathogenesis, mechanisms, and the spread of antimicrobial resistance to host immune responses, contributing significantly to health concern as well as their applications to drug and vaccine target identification. Darkness is a metaphor for what we don't understand. When it comes to dynamic molecules called proteins in our cells, scientists have trained their spotlight on some. But 10% of the proteins dancing in our cells are still unknown to scientists and have successfully kept their movements in the dark out of scientists' view. These unknown are the dark proteome. Researchers are hoping to to learn more about our biology, including details about diseases and how to treat them. They are developing new tools and ways to explore this dark proteome. This is a very recent development in science and bioinformatics. We hope a session on dark proteome will help us to understand this mystery of biology. Thus, the aim of this hands-on training is to equip participants with the basic knowledge and skills of bioinformatics. So, we have our following objectives of this workshop: to create an awareness with respect to the basic tools and techniques used in bioinformatics at industrial level, to prove complete hands-on training in the basic tools and techniques, to inspire and motivate all life sciences to apply these techniques in their research programs, to gain the ability and utilize a high-performance computing online cluster and customize an environment with specific software analysis. Keeping this aim in mind, we have kept the theme of our program as National Seminar and Workshop on Advanced in Silico Approaches on Data Analysis, Disease Diagnostics and Dark Proteome. We have around 130 participants with us this morning who are eager and enthusiastic to know more about this topic as well as for their hands-on training. We shall now begin our first session of the seminar.